Lily, where are we? What city are we in?
Aix-en-Provence.
Aix-en-Provence. And we're walking around this city. They say this city is like Paris, but on a smaller scale. And I'm guessing that some people were digging or something, and look what they discovered. They discovered an old Roman city that was buried. This city was buried for centuries, and I think they're guessing it's about 1400 or earlier. I don't know, but look at this. They're going to have to dig up this entire city if they want to dig up these ruins. These archaeologists, they're marking everything. They're digging up the city. And I guess the local people were kind of upset because it's interfering with their businesses. Look at this. Look at this. The old city underground. Buried underground. Right there. They're mapping everything. They're digging it all up. This old city. That's underground. And there's Lily. Hi, Lily. Buongiorno. There's Lily taking pictures. Okay, so this is what they're doing. I don't know what this sign says here, but that's not what it is. Digging, digging.
Oh, ça va. Ah, je l'ai même pas touché la meuf. Tu serais pris un crochet. Genre pareil, la pote de ma
Digging, digging, digging. And I think this city, they think, is this big. They have a picture of it. They drew a picture of it right over here. Look at this. Right here. I don't know what that means, but let's see. Okay. 2, 1, 2. That little dog. They're digging, digging. Look at that, they're working away. You pretty much have to dig it away with a toothbrush so that don't ruin anything. They sift through everything. Digging away, looking, searching. Look at tree roots. See, they're trying to protect the tree roots so they don't kill the tree. This tree right here. But that tree is in the way. It's going to have to go eventually, I'm sure. So, this is what they're doing. So, what are they doing here, Lily?
Excavating an old city
Yeah?
underneath
Uh-huh.
the new city.
Do you think the people around here are happy with that?
No,
No? And why?
because the businesses lose their customers because they have to close their doors. But like I said, you can buy insurance for that kind of exposure.
Where?
Buy it from me.
Buy it from you. Hey, we can make a commercial.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is why you need this.
Anyways, this is what they're doing. And they've been working on this for 2 years. Very nice, honey. Been working on this for 2 years. 2 years, just brushing away, brushing. So that's what they're doing. Anyways, here we are in Aix-en-Provence. It's supposed to be like Paris, but on a smaller scale. And it's a very nice city. So that's where we are. Bye.